Hartford Public Schools.
Pipe dog, it's not gonna really move that much.
You gotta put something on this paper right here. We don't need this one, huh?
What are you doing? Minus 4.5. 45 underneath, minus 4.
Oh no, 45. Where's DJ gonna work out at his house? No, I mean. First ever swap.
First ever.
Boom, installed. Now we got pressure going through and up. Let's go. All done. Took us maybe like a long time. Man, we did it. We did it. One thing after the other. Got our pump in. Now we gotta wire this relay up to it so it's not running all the time. So, yeah. 6 hours in, one more to go. Ah, bro, we did it. This click on, that clicks on, that turns on. This clicks off, that goes on.
We fixed it. We're done.
Another problem.
Yeah, he said he had to go to the gym and he literally fucking...
Stop recording the problems, bro.
When that satisfies, I'm gonna have you. See, it's a good thing to